According to a Gallup Healthways Wellbeing Index poll published today, the uninsured rate fell to 11.9% during the first quarter of this year. There's been a decline of 5.2 percentage points in the share of people without health coverage since the end of 2013. So this is pretty dramatic. There's about 12 million new people who are being covered by health insurance. It's around 89% of the American public. So there's still about 30 million out there. I mean, you'll remember the 45 million person number back in the day that was thrown around, somewhere around there, 42, 45. And now it's down to about 30. 15 million adults, 14.75, have gained coverage since the fall of 2013, which was when the law's first open enrollment season was about to begin. I imagine there may be another million or two that had coverage. It's hard to measure because they could stay on their parents' plans or went back on their parents' plans. Hispanics saw the biggest coverage gains of any ethnic or racial group. Uninsured rate dropped 8.3 points among Latinos at the end of 2013. But we're going to talk about Marco Rubio maybe being vice president. So, Those making less than $36,000 a year saw their uninsured rate drop 8.7 points since the end of 2013. That would probably be a function of both subsidies on the exchanges and the expansion of Medicaid. So you've got 15 million, probably a little bit more, who now have health insurance who did not 2 years ago. That's good. I think that's very good. And imagine if states like Alaska, Missouri, Tennessee, Utah, and I guess about another, half dozen states or more expanded their Medicaid coverage, you'd probably see another 5 million people get coverage. But that's right. I mean, how else would you give these people the blessing of freedom but for to deny them health insurance coverage? Seems obvious. I want constitutional principles. So,
Constitution.